Good morning everyone. So today we'll be discussing about homogeneous functions. You had student faculty program in the last class, but still I'll explain once briefly what is the basics. Okay. So a function f of x is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if it can be expressed in this way. That is f of x y is equal to x to the power of n into phi of y by x, where this phi of y by x is a function of y by x. Okay, we'll understand this better with an example. So we have an example here, f of x comma y is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So if I take x square common outside from this, so when I take x square common from this, I get x square is taken outside, so 1 is remaining, plus you have 1 x taken outside, 1 more x is remaining, right? So you have to divide that here. Okay, so that is 2y by x, that is multiply and divide by x, so this becomes x square, right? That x square can be taken common outside, say like, so here if I have to take x square common outside, this also should be x square, right? So in order to make this x square, I'll multiply and divide by x, 6y, plus here I don't have x square, so I'll multiply and divide by x square. Okay, so here this becomes x square plus 2x square y by x plus x square into y by x square. Okay, so this is y square, yeah, since it is in the question it is y square. Okay, so now take x square common outside. We have x square here. If I am taking x square common outside, 1 is remaining. Here what is remaining? 2y by x is remaining, plus here y square by x square is remaining. If I take x square common outside, so this is a function of y by x, yes. So this can be written as x square into phi of function of y by x. Here function is denoted using phi, that's all. Okay, here one more thing is, you can check out what is the degree of the given equation. How? This is x to the power of n into phi of y by x form, right? What is n? X to the power of n. Here in the place of n you have 2. That means the degree of the given equation is 2. The degree of the given homogeneous equation is 2. Since x to the power of n is nothing but 2 here. Okay. Homogeneous equations. So an homogeneous equation will be of this type: dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y by g of x. This is said to be a homogeneous equation if f of x, y and g of x comma y on homogeneous functions are homogeneous functions of same degree. Okay. So if this has to be functions of same degree, how we have to find the degree should be same, right? So dy by dx is f of x comma y by g of x comma y. This is a question, and if this can be expressed as x power n into, since we are using phi and phi, in order to differentiate the function we have to use phi 1 phi 2. Okay, so if I am expressing this equation as f of x comma y in the form of x power n phi 1 of y by x, and g of x comma y in the form of x power n phi by 2 y by x. If I can express like this, the degree is same here, n is same. Okay, so x power n gets cancelled, and you will be remaining with phi 1 y by x, phi 2 y by x. So in order to say that two functions are of same degree, we should have that x to the power of n value should be same here. Okay, problems on homogeneous equations. Okay, so homogeneous equations, what is the procedure to find how to solve homogeneous equations? Okay, so we are putting, first step is put y is equal to v into x. After that, differentiate this y is equal to v to x, you will get dy by dx is equal, this is uv form. Okay, we consider v as function here. Okay, v into differentiation of x is 1, x plus x into differentiation of v is dv by dx. Again, dy by dx is equal to v into 1 is v plus x into dv by dx. Now this is a first step. Okay, now second step is substitute the value of y and dy by dx. That is, what is y? Vx. Dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx. We have to substitute these two in the given equation. Okay, then we have to use variable separable form and integrate. Okay, then last step in the solution, we have to replace v by y by x in order to get the required solution. Okay, so we will get into such kind of examples, so you'll understand better. We will do one problem on how to find the degree, then we will start with our homogeneous equation problems. Okay, question is, show that f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3x square y. So this is 3x square y, 3xy square plus y cube is a homogeneous function and find the degree. So we will solve it. So our given question is f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, right? So I am taking x cube common outside. In order to take x cube common outside, what do you have to do? Here we have only x square. That means in order to make it x cube, we have to divide and multiply and divide by x. 3x square y plus, here I have only x, so I want x cube. That means x square, multiply and divide by x square, 3xy square plus, here I don't have x cube term itself, so x cube by x cube into y cube. So this can be written as x cube plus x cube into 3y by x plus x cube into 3y square by x square plus x cube into y cube by x cube, right? So I'm taking x cube common outside now. So what do we get? X cube plus, if I'm taking x cube common outside, 1 plus 3y by x plus 3y square by x square plus y cube by x cube, right? So now this is a function of y by x, right? So this is x cube into phi of y by x. This is a required answer. Where, what is the degree now? I know x power n into phi of y by x form we have borrowed. So n is equal to 3. Therefore the degree of the given homogeneous equation is 3, right? You have to write a sentence like this. The given equation is homogeneous and the degree is 3. Okay. At the end of this class, I'll give you a few homework problems on to find whether the given equation is homogeneous and to find the degree of the given equation. Okay, so try solving that and you'll get a better idea on this. Okay, since this is easy concept, I'm doing only 2 problems. First one example problem we did and this one. Okay, we'll continue with the next problem. Here, solve dy by dx is equal to y by x plus sine into y by x. If you remember, what was the first step? First step was to put y is equal to v into x and we had to differentiate this, right? So dy by dx is equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx, right? And now second step was to substitute the value of y and dy by dx. We will take the given question as equation 1. You have to write it once again, okay? dy by dx in equation 1. Okay, so now what do we have? We have the equation 1. If you substitute, we have dy by dx. What is it? It is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x. In the place of y, what should you write? V into x divided by x plus sine y. In the place of y we are writing v into x divided by x. Okay, so now x and x gets cancelled, x and x gets cancelled, so we can write this as v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v plus sine v. Okay, so now here v and v gets cancelled. If I bring this v to the other side, this becomes minus v, right? So plus v minus v gets cancelled. So we have x into dv by dx is equal to sine v, right? Here now we have reached the step where third step begins. In the third step we have to variable separable form we have to apply and integrate, right? So bring x terms together and x with dx and v with dv. Okay, so I'm taking this dx to this side. What happens? X dv is equal to sine v into dx. I'm bringing this v this side. This becomes dv by sine v is equal to dx by x. So this can be written as integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. What do we get? We get integral of 1 by sine v dv is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. So all of you know that integration of 1 by sine is cosecant, right? We will take cosecant v integration of 1 by x dx. So here we know integration of cosecant x is minus log cosecant x into cot x, right? So we will write minus log cosecant, here we have v, cosecant v into cot v, right? It is equal to integration of 1 by x is log x plus log c is the constant I am using, integration constant. Okay, so we have replacing v. What do I get? Minus log, that is the last step, cosecant. What is v? V was y by x. So you can see here we had y is equal to v into x. That implies what? That implies v is equal to y by x, right? Yes. So v is equal to y by x. If you're substituting v, we get y by x into cot y by x is equal to log x plus log c, which is our required differential equation. Quickly we will recall the steps. So the given equation is this. We have to put y is equal to vx and we have to find dy by dx. Substituting y and dy by dx in the given question is the first step. After substituting, we will get one line where we will be able to variable separable form we can apply. So after applying variable separable form, we have to integrate on both sides. After integrating on both sides, in the final step of the answer, we have to substitute back what is v. V was y by x. So that is our steps to do these kind of problems. We will quickly check out two more problems. Okay, we will solve the next problem. Solve dy by dx is equal to y by x plus tan of y by x. So what is the first step? Yes, this is, we'll take this as equation 1. We will put y is equal to v into x. So what will be dy by dx? So dy by dx is nothing but v into differentiation of x is 1 plus x into dv by dx. Now substituting y and dy by dx in equation 1. What do we get? You should not write these short forms, okay? In the exams especially, they will deduct your marks. So you can check out the question. Okay, In the place of dy by dx, we have to put v plus x into dv by dx. Yes, and plus y is vx divided by x plus tan of, in the place of y we are substituting vx divided by x. So here we can cancel x and x, here we can cancel x and x. So we have v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, sorry for this mistake, is equal to v plus tan of v, right? Now this v and this v gets cancelled. So you're remaining with x into dv by dx is equal to tan of v. Right now, variable separable form. I'll bring this x this side along with the dx. So what do I get? X dv is equal to tan v into dx. I brought this dx this side. Okay. Now dv by tan v is equal to dx by x. Now what do we have to do? We have to variable separable form we have done. So integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, what do we get? Integrating on both sides, we get integral of 1 by tan v dv is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. So what is 1 by tan? It is cot v dv is equal to integral of 1 by x dx, right? So what is the integration of cot v? It is nothing but log sin v dv, log sin v is equal to 1 by x is log x plus integration constant, I am taking it as log c. Okay, so now we have log sin v is equal to log x plus log c. Here v can be replaced by, okay, before that, log sin v is equal to log x plus log c can be written as log of x into c. So this log and log can be cancelled, right? So we have sin v is equal to x into c. So in the place of v, we have to replace it with sin of, what is v? Y by x is equal to x into c, which is our required differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. Okay. I want all of you to try this problem as homework 1. If you didn't get, let me know in the next class. Okay. Thank you.